Oh, I'm not gonna lie, it looks gross. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's Glossier unboxing. I have actually never ordered from Glossier before. This is my very first time. I've tried out maybe like one lip product from them in the past. I think I just like got it at BeautyCon, but I've never actually purchased products from Glossier. I think it's because I had always wanted to purchase them in store, but anytime I went to LA, the line was either too long or they were closed. And then the last time that I attempted to go Glossier was when I found out that they had permanently closed the Melrose location, which was such a bummer just because I really wanted to like get my hands on everything and try everything. But I got in a mood last week to do a little online makeup shopping and I decided to finally put in my very first Glossier order. So I have it right here. In today's video, we are gonna unbox it and also do a little bit of a get ready using a lot of the products that I ordered for a first impression. But before we jump into it, I just wanna welcome anyone who's new to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. And don't forget to like and comment on this video. Let me know what Glossier products you're interested in, or if you've tried the brand before, let me know your thoughts on it, or if there were any products that you really love from Glossier that you think I should order on my next round. But for right now, let's just get into the unboxing and the first impression on this. It's gonna be a very casual get ready with me. I'm not really going anywhere today. I'm staying home and decorating for fall, which was in the last vlog, which was I think the video before this. So I will link it right over here if you guys want to check out how I decorated for fall. But I feel like Glossier's makeup is very lightweight and natural anyways. So I feel like a very natural makeup look to just kind of clean myself up a little bit even though I'm staying home is the perfect time to try this. But here's the box. If you've never ordered from Glossier before, it just comes in a white box and then they have their tape here. It says Glossier inside and then your stuff comes in this little bag. I do know that this is very typical for them. When I got those lip samples at BeautyCon, they came in like a smaller version of this bag, but it's like a pink bubble wrap bag, which is a very signature packaging for them. And then they also send you a little Glossier sticker. So to start off, I'm just gonna prime my face really quick and then put a base down because I know for sure that I did not order an actual base to try. So in case you're curious, this is the Becca Cosmetics Zero Pigment Foundation, but yeah, as we all know, Becca is sadly closing down, so I don't know if that's still available. Clip my hair back really quick. For just like the base of my face, I'm gonna go in with this Merit complexion stick. It's kind of like a BB cream in stick form, and the color that I'm using is khaki, which is like a perfect match for me. I like this because it's very quick. Buff that in really fast. Like I said, I'm just gonna be home today decorating, so I don't need to do like a full glam, full coverage kind of a face. Just something light so I don't feel like a troll every single time I look in the mirror. Digging into my bag and what I got. The first one is their concealer. This is their stretch concealer. I haven't used a concealer in a pot in God knows when. It's been a very long time. I typically prefer, you know, my Tarte Shape Tape and stuff. And by the way, yes, we are at my vanity again in my bedroom. Like I said, just a very casual get ready with me first impression situation. But the color that I got is G8 and I think it's like a little bit light, but if I'm mainly gonna use it on my under eyes, I don't mind. Actually, no, that looks like that could be a really good match. Am I blended? I don't think I'm blended. So I'm gonna use this Morphe M224 and then also the M421. This one's just really small, but I feel like I can get like the little blemishes and stuff better with this one. But for the under eye, I'm gonna go in with the bigger guy. Oh yeah, that is a little bit light. For the under eye, I don't mind that. I'm just gonna press it in. Okay, the shade is a little bit peachier than I was expecting it to be. I think you definitely need to finish this with a sponge. Either that or I am just super out of practice with applying concealer with a brush. That's probably the more accurate answer. So I am gonna go in with this June & Co sponge. I like this sponge because you can just use it dry. So on days when I'm just doing like a fast, quick, natural face, I like this because I don't have to worry about going to wet it. And I'm just gonna press this in a little bit more to buff it in. Okay, this concealer is actually really nice for like a lightweight day. It does cover up imperfections a little bit, but it's not so heavy that you can't see your skin through it, which is definitely nice for a more natural makeup look. So I would definitely use this when I'm doing makeup looks like this, where, you know, I'm not trying to get super glam. I just want to keep it very simple and minimal. It actually blended really well with this complexion stick. I would say though, I would get a different shade, something just a little bit warmer. I feel like this G8 might have been a little bit too peach for me because it just feels just a touch dull against the rest of my skin tone, but it's not something that like I can't work with. So just like in the future, if I refill this, I would definitely get something else. But let me go ahead and set it. Just using some no color RCMA powder. Next thing I'm gonna go in with is a pretty new product for them, and this is their Solar Paint, which is a luminous bronzer cream. I was very curious about this one. The shade that I got is Heat. So here's what it looks like. If I'm not mistaken, I think that this is like the second darkest one. I am on the tanner side, so I didn't want to go with the lightest, but I think that like the darkest one was a little bit too red, and then like the second lightest one was just like a little bit too golden. I definitely wanted it to be more of a true bronzer, so this one seemed to be like the best shade for that. But let me swatch it. Okay, so there's what it looks like. It does have a little bit of redness to it, but I think when you buff it out, yeah, it buffs out into like a really nice like mid-tone brown. I'm trying to think of what's the best way to apply this. I think I'll probably do a brush, and then if I need to finish with a sponge, I will. But I'm just gonna put this in the areas you would normally put bronzer. I'm just gonna dot it for right now. Oh, that was a big dot. Just because I don't want to apply too much. I can always add more on later if I feel like I didn't get enough, but just go ahead and work it in. Oh, that's really nice. It's not too harsh. It blends really, really nicely. I was a little bit concerned because the formula felt a little bit thin, but it's still pigmented enough that even when you blend it out, it definitely packs a punch. So I would definitely start out with a little bit with this and then just kind of work your way up in case you need a little bit more. But I think for just a simple everyday natural look, just a couple dots is all you need. Oh, that blends out so nicely. Wow. I think I'm gonna actually also use this as an eyeshadow. I think I'm just gonna use my fingers on that. So just gonna dot a little bit right on my lids, blend it out with my finger. Oh, that's really pretty. It's just like a little bit of warmth on the eyes, just so that my eyes look a little bit more alive, but really nice. Now I'm just gonna do some eyeliner and mascara really quick, just to finish them off. Oh my god, I just realized I should do my brows. I did not get the boy brow because I really, really love the brow products that I use right now, and I felt like there just wasn't a need to order it because I probably would stick to the brow products that I use anyway. So I'm just gonna do my brows off camera, and I'll just see you guys afterwards to finish off the rest of my face with what's left in my order. Brows are on, so finishing up the cheeks. Even though I didn't get the boy brow, I did get a different cult favorite from them. I got the cloud paint for my cheeks, and I got mine in Spark. I will say I was under the impression that this was gonna be like a lot bigger, like double the size of this. I don't know why, but I just felt like whenever I saw this in photos and stuff, it just seemed like it was gonna be a lot bigger. But hopefully the product stretches a lot. So there's the color. Let's blend her out. Oh wow, okay, yeah, that packs a punch a little bit, goes a long way on this. I just wonder if I should do this with my finger. What do they suggest on here? For best results, apply with fingertips. Okay. I'm just gonna dot each side. Wow, there's still a lot left on there, so I'm just gonna wipe that off and press it in. Holy crap. Okay, like seriously, half a pump per side is all you need, because wow. That is highly pigmented. I need a sponge. What happened here? A little bit on the nose. Perfect. I'm just gonna seal in my face really quick with some powder, just all over on those creams. And also because I am oily, so I'll get shiny if I don't do this. And I did not get a highlighter. I realize that now, so I'm just gonna go in with this Jaclyn Cosmetics one. Just a little bit on the cheeks because this can get very, very strong. Then the last makeup product that I got is their Ultra Lip, and this one has hydrating shine and color. I think it's just like a sheer wash of color, and I got it in the color Cachet, which looks really dark, but it is fall, so I wanted to go with something that would have a little bit of color. But I have not used a lip product that looks like this in so long. I'm not typically like a bullet lipstick girl, and most of my other lip balms either have like a doe foot applicator or they're just like a tube and you slather it on. So this feels super nostalgic to me. I feel like I'm using like Smackers or Caboodles or something, but I'm gonna apply it. Okay, it's a little bit darker than I thought it was gonna be. I thought this was gonna be a much sheerer wash of color. I'm just gonna tap it in with my finger. But it is very, very hydrating. I just, like I said, thought that this was gonna be a little bit sheerer, but I don't mind it. You know, we'll let the lips be the focus here. But that is it for the makeup that I got, and just as I expected, everything just feels very natural, very light, very fresh. But I also did get 2 face masks. I'm not gonna use them because obviously I just did my makeup. But just for reference, I got the Mega Greens Galaxy Pack. This one is a detoxifying face mask, and I do like the packaging on this. I think it's really nice. Okay, it does come sealed. Smells like lotion, so there's like no scent to it. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, it looks gross. It looks like cheese almost, which I know sounds pretty freaking terrible, and it's sweating a lot, but I'm sure like the mask itself is gonna be nice. Then I also got their moisturizing moon mask. This one is a soothing face treatment, and then both of them actually have a little G on top. The Galaxy Greens has a green one, and then the soothing one has a blue. And I want to check out the texture and smell on this one. Ooh, okay. That smells very fresh. Just like very light and fresh. Kind of like what you expect, I guess, like fresh laundry to smell like. And this one is more of a moisturizer texture, and it looks like it's just gonna like sink into the skin. So for this one, you apply a thick layer, soak for 20 minutes, and then you rinse it off. And I think the other one's the same. Yeah, thick layer, 20 minutes, then rinse off. All right, you guys, well, that is gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing and trying my very first Glossier order with me. Definitely a lot of fun products in here that I can't wait to use some more. But for right now, I'm gonna get to decorating for fall. So please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave me a comment, and I will see you guys very soon again in my next one. Bye.